Hi, welcome to Easy Engineering. Today we're going to talk about air jets. I have a couple of these air jets in my hand. The way an air jet works is you have compressed air coming into the unit. It draws in air from the back into the unit. The air drawn in mixes with the compressed air source and you get an amplified airflow. What's nice about the small size of an air jet is not only do you get amplified airflow, but you get a concentrated force along with reduced noise levels. So, why use an air jet? Why can't we just use a nozzle? Why not just having a small nozzle to do a job? Well, the big difference is the exit. If you take a look at the exit, you get a wide opening. So you get a larger area profile. So imagine using an air jet, for example, in part ejection. If you have a part on a conveyor, you want to push that part off. If you use a nozzle, you might have to have two nozzles to give it a direction, to guide that part off the conveyor. With an air jet, because it's more like a hand, you can push it off because it has a direction. So you eliminate two nozzles with one air jet. The other thing about an air amplifier, or a compressed air amplifier, is that the larger you make them, the more efficient they become in airflow amplification. So the air jet is actually a little bit more efficient than a nozzle. So you not only get rid of an extra nozzle, already you're using less air and getting more force out of it just because it's a larger unit, a larger amplifier. Again, you get that nice concentrated force. So that's the purpose of an air jet, for basically when you need a hand effect. Certainly if you need to blow off a larger area than a nozzle would get, an air jet is better. For cooling a larger part than an air nozzle would do, again, an air jet. It's a nice size to use for certain applications. Finally, what do you look for in an air jet? Things to consider are the material. If you want something lightweight, aluminum is ideal. This is an anodized aluminum unit, for example. You need something a little more hardy, brass. You need something for high temperature or corrosive application. You can also get an air jet in stainless steel. If it's adjustable, and some air jets are adjustable, some are not. If it's adjustable, you want to have a lock ring. If you don't have a lock ring, that adjustability could shake loose in a high vibration situation. So a good lock ring is necessary for an adjustable unit. And also the angles, the actual angles that are used to draw in that compressed or that air from the atmosphere. If I take this apart, for example, you will see on this particular air jet, you have a series of angles. Some air jets only have one angle. These angles were tested and designed to give you an optimum amplification ratio, an optimum amplification of the air coming out. This compared to an air jet with only one angle will actually give you about 25% more force per CFM. That's pretty significant. So if you're going to pick an air jet, make sure you look to see how many angles it has in there, because one angle is not going to be as efficient as several angles. So that's about air jets. Next Easy Engineering, we'll discuss another product.